Hello everyone. So till now we have created these four slides, and as I discussed there are many things are available in the drawing and arrangement and in insert, draw, design, transition, animation. There are n numbers of things are available. But our main goal is to also understand the ChatGPT and combining the PowerPoint presentation. So we are here for to learn these two things. So for this tutorial, what I am going to discuss with you, that what we are understanding and what we are going to learn throughout the course, and how we are going to utilize the ChatGPT. So for that purpose, I am creating the slide, but here the heading I have to replace with introduction to the course. No, it is not introduction, but it is just only introduction, not to the course. Okay, and here I am creating a new slide with the same template, but here I am replacing this theme or a layout with the section header. Okay, so you can see that our theme has been replaced. Don't worry about this designer again and again, but we will discuss it later on. Okay, so how we are going to use our ChatGPT? How we use ChatGPT? Okay, and after that, just for now, I am creating a section only. So if you want to select this theme only, you just copy and here Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. How we use this ChatGPT? Our first slide will be, we are going to utilize this ChatGPT for learning and education, and also our personal life or day-to-day life, personal life. Okay, and then ChatGPT for business and profession, business and profession. Also, we are utilizing this ChatGPT to learn or understand more about financial education. And then after, we will use this for, let us, we don't have a slide, let us copy and paste it to create a website. Create a website. Let us write down like create a website. Okay. So basically on these different topics from now onwards we are going to discuss, and in that we will have different slides which contains the content of every subsections. So basically we have segregated our themes in different sections. So we have to create the section. This is our introduction section. So how you can hide this part, because every time it will be very difficult to go through each and every slides. So just press here and right click on here and then press the add section. You can see that if this is a default section and one thing is coming up as a untitled section. So here I am just writing down as a introduction and press enter. So our slide has been renamed as an introduction, but it contains everything, but we don't require this thing. So we have to break this section till here only for prompt engineering. Okay, so how we use this ChatGPT? Here we will again press the add section, but this time we are not, okay, we utilization of ChatGPT. So whenever we require different section, like how do we use this ChatGPT learning and education, so these are the things we will discuss later on. Whenever we require to create any add section, we will create at the time of that part. But here, how we use this ChatGPT? Here we want to make one slide which contains all these headings, but which is in an attractive way. So for that purpose we are going to use this as smart art. So let us discuss this thing in the next tutorial. Okay, so for in this tutorial we have understand about all the section and what we are going to learn throughout our course. So be with the course and happy learning. Thank you.